So I'm working on a data set called Epicurious, which I got from Kaggle. The problem statement which I have three problem statements to be honest. The first one is I want to know the common ingredients in highly rated recipes. I want to know if there is any relationship between preparation time of the dish and the rating, and I want to share my thoughts on how this analysis will help improve the user experience. So we'll import all the libraries which we need. Then this is our data set. As far as I'm concerned, columns like description, title does not serve our purpose. We do not want them. They will not help us in analysis, so I'm just removing them. We come to null values. Null values are pretty much like contain a large number of null values. This dataset contains a large number of null values. I just converted it to percentage for a better idea or better understanding. This is where the interesting part is. I could have dropped the null values from calories, protein, categories, fat, everything, but I did not drop them because the rating is our topmost priority and I don't want to lose any information from the rating if there are null values in categories. For example, if I want to check top 10 highly rated dishes and there is a dish which is highly rated, for example, the most rated dish, and it does not have a calorie value, I do not want to lose that recipe. So that's why I'm not dropping those. This is just a missing data pattern. This is the describe function will help us to understand the distribution skewness and potential outliers as I've written here. To check the outliers, to get the better idea of outliers, I wrote this code and it shows me that number of outliers we contain in this data is 5666, which is a large number of outliers, and most of the outliers lies in the column calories, sodium and fat. Then again, as I told you about null values, we are specifically interested in finding common ingredients in top 10 highly rated recipes and prep time and rating relationships. So removing outliers from those columns might not be necessary. This is the distribution of rating. We can see the most of the rating lies between 3 to 5, which is a good sign, like most of the dishes are getting a good rating then. So this is distribution of other columns like calories, protein, sodium and fat. This is our problem statement. Find out the ingredients in highly rated recipes. First of all, you'll have to see the top 10 dishes based on the rating. We did this. Then we'll have to add the ingredients with the most count among those top 10 highly rated recipes, and we do that by importing counter from collection. It will just count the ingredients which are occurring multiple times or the most times in the top 10 highlighted dishes, and it will just extract those ingredients and add it to the list. I want to see the top 10 ingredients, that's why these are the ingredients which are present in most of the dishes. And while plotting it, I get this chart. See, these are the ingredients which are common in top 10 highly rated dishes. Second is, what is the correlation between preparation time and rating? As we all know, there is no column which indicates the preparation time, but we do have the direction column from which we can extract time using regular expression and analyze the relationship between time and rating, and we do that by using regular expression by inputting RE. This line of code will extract the time from the column direction, and this code shows us the visualization of relationship between preparation time and rating. As you can see that there is not a significant relationship or there is no effect on rating based on the preparation time. And these are my thoughts on how the data can help improve user experience for a recipe platform. We can personalize the recipe recommendation. For example, a user can search recipe just by typing the ingredients. We can filter the recipe by ingredients, by the preparation times. We can filter the recipe by calories, proteins. If there is any gym enthusiast or bodybuilder, he can filter out the recipe based on how much calories he want to intake. So that can also help the user experience to improve.